Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we can see some normalcy on the chart of gold. Last week was horrible, market was crazy and very much unpredictable, but we can see the market is stable right now. Let's look at the market sentiment first then. So gold steady as markets await Fed meeting US CPI data. Gold edges lower as traders eye US inflation data Fed meeting. Miss market is mostly talking about tomorrow's CPI and FOMC. And as we all know, before a major event like CPI FOMC, market prefers to stay silent. Market usually remains sideways. And in sideways market, what do? We go for buy at support, sell at resistance. But the market's behavior has changed in last few days. So yes, we cannot expect a normal sideways market, but yes, we can expect a choppy market. And if a choppy market is there, then obviously it's better and safer for us to trade from level to level only. And yesterday, uh, we expected to take a sell around this level, and we can see that when market went up to our first level of 2311, okay, we got the sell here, and right now market is selling at 2301. So the strategy remains the same because of the huge fall. Okay, the market sentiment, is still very not positive. This market is still being dominated by sellers, so respecting the trend of the market, it is better and safer for us to look for sell positions only. And if you are a swing trader or positional trader, then please wait till tomorrow, because your positions usually last for a couple of days to a couple of weeks, and obviously you need a direction in the market, and we can expect a direction after FOMC, not right now. So this is a complete day traders market right now, where you can expect to make money from quick entry and exit only. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities for today. So yesterday we discussed about three levels. Okay, the first level, okay, market has already tested it. So this level is no longer valid for us. So during the day, my dear friends, if market goes up, okay, we have our second sell, not second, okay, first selling opportunity around the day is around 2325, and the second selling opportunity will be around 2340. Okay, not sorry, it's 2337, sorry, not 2340, it's 2337 to 2340. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can look for a sell position for the day. Okay, if you have not watched my previous video, then let me show you. Here we just use our Fibonacci here, we will beloved Fibonacci. So here we had Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support was working as resistance. The next selling opportunity 2325 because of Fibo 38.2% retracement level, and the previous support will be working as resistance. And we are looking at 2337 because of Fibo 50% retracement level, which is a better level to take a sell. Along with that, we also have 50 and 100 moving average around the area. So during the day, especially after the Asian session, okay, we can expect, if market goes up, we can expect some selling around this area. If market shows price rejection from above, okay, you don't need to wait for the candle to close because it will be too late. Just wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button with proper risk management. That's it. And the third selling opportunity is around 2350. 2350 is a round number, psychological level, but 2350 is far away, so I don't think so market will be heading towards 2350, because right now we can clearly see we do not have much volume in the market. So let's keep our eyes on 2325, 2337, 2340 for the day if market goes up. And as we had witnessed 1000 pips drop on Friday, so still we are expecting the market to give us selling opportunity. But yesterday we also discussed about the possibility of market staying above 2300. Remember, I still think that if market goes up also, yes, as a day trader we may find some selling opportunity for 40-50 pips around this area. But after CPI, after FOMC, there's a high chance that market will be going up. okay, because of the contracts data. Because after news, if gold starts falling, then obviously it will be a big drop of at least 500 to 600 pips. And if you look at the contracts data, my dear friends, you can see we have a good number of contracts at uh, 2300. And if you look at double to 75, there also we have a good number of contracts. So there is a possibility that after CPI, after FOMC, market may go up, okay, because of the number of huge number of contracts standing around these levels. This data belongs to the futures market, and we trade on spot market. So obviously this data doesn't have much relevance, but we have seen numerous times that this data has also helped us a lot. So let's wait and watch. Obviously, it is not possible for us to predict the market after news, okay, but still there is a possibility. That's what I'm sharing with you guys, okay. But as of now, okay, forget about everything, okay. Just keep in mind that we are retail traders. We cannot predict the market. We can only react according to the situation. Sellers are dominating, so we will be looking for sell on rise or seller resistance, okay. Now, if market goes down from here, then obviously the selling opportunity that we discussed yesterday is still valid. Means if market breaks double to 87, okay, double to 87 during the day, we can look for a sell below it, but do not expect a huge downside, okay. Try to exit around double to 7576, okay, because we have the next support around double to 75. Already we have discussed in our previous video. So my dear friends, even if you go for a sell below double to 87, be careful and do not try to hold your positions overnight. If you're interested, I would like to share one thing, okay. As we can see right now, the market is going down. So if you see market goes down like this, then there's a high chance that the breakout will fail, okay. So try to look for a breakout when you will see market going down, forming a lower high. Means if you see the market going down, after a while market will start consolidating, market forming a lower high, and then market going down. This is a much more reliable case to go for a sell instead of market going down like this in a straight manner. Anyways, forget about it, okay. If you're confused, okay, then I'm extremely sorry. Forget about it. So yes, we do have a sell opportunity below double to 87 if market breaks the level or the previous low with volume, okay. And as a day trader, we can also look for a good buy opportunity or quick bounce around double 275, but make sure the market takes support. How to get a confirmation? Again, volume. If you see market is going below double 287 with small candles, means volume is less, you cannot expect a huge downside. But on the other hand, if you see that especially by the US session, if you see the market is going down with big red candles, means selling pressure is very high, the support may not work. So just observe the market behavior on double 275. If it shows price rejection from below, okay, then you can go for a buy. So let's wait and watch till tomorrow. We can expect I won't say sideways market because those beautiful days are gone, okay, but still we can expect a choppy market. So it's safer for us to trade from level to level only, okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much, and please do not lose patience because we are traders, not gamblers. And my dear friends, finally, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again after 3 months, I guess. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. My dear friends, I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You'll find all the details on the website. My dear friends, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. And if you are really depressed right now, you just go to the About Me section. You will find my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Please go to the story and you will understand that everything is possible. And these are the topics that we will be discussing in 3 days. As I said, 3 days workshop plus 1 month support, because it is not possible to cover everything in 3 days. And as I always believe that it's a step-by-step process. So after 3 days learning, okay, we will be having 4 weekly classes. These are the topics of the weekly classes. Along with that, you will be receiving regular market updates analysis. This is our WhatsApp group. You can see that I post here regularly. You will find regular market updates, analysis, and during important events like CPI, NFP, we also have live session. So this is how it looks like. You can see that I post here regularly so that you can understand that in which direction you need to proceed for the day. Along with that, we also have a lively Telegram community because trading is a lonely journey. So we have traders from all around the world where you can share ideas, ask questions. It's a colorful community where you can learn a lot of things here. And these are the dates. You can see English classes 28, 29, 30th of June, and Hindi classes will start from 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June. These are the timings. You can join now also. You don't need to worry. Okay, till the workshop, you'll be getting free market analysis updates. And obviously, after the workshop, you will be getting the 1 month support. Okay, as I promised. Okay, so you can join now also. There is no issues. And yes, limited seats available. You must be knowing that I conduct the session okay only 3 to 4 times a year only. Okay, I'm not a course seller. Okay. And if you just participate on the workshop, it's only $15 rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support for everything, or only 1000 or $15. And if you really like my work, if you want to stay connected with me, you can also go for semi-annual for $65 rupees 4000 for Indians. And here, along with the updates and analysis and support, you'll also be getting 2 personal sessions with me. And if you love me, then if you want to stay connected with me for lifetime, it's only $125 or rupees 8000. And in lifetime support, you'll also receive 6 personal sessions with me. So if you're struggling with the market, if you believe that I need to talk to you, I need to learn from you, then yes, you can sign up for the lifetime workshop, lifetime support actually, not workshop, okay, where you'll be getting 6 personal sessions, one-on-one sessions with me so that we can clear doubts, we can work on the problems. Hope you guys will love it. Okay, आप लोग को अच्छा लगा होगा. Okay, and these are the payment options here. Okay, so almost all the popular payment options are available here. I used to teach for free, but I learned a lesson that okay, you should never teach for free. Okay, it was a bad experience, and I also taught for $1. Okay, that was also a bad decision. But okay, but my dear friends, okay, these are the payment options available. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here. Okay, I'll be adding you to the group. Okay, so once you're done, do not forget to share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email. Okay, if you email, then please do share your WhatsApp number. And let me answer already that if you are unable to attend and if you are feeling very bad that Avilash, fine, we'll be conducting the next workshop as I said, and you must be knowing also that I do not conduct workshops regularly because trading is my bread and butter, okay, and these workshops dealing with people takes a lot of time. So the next workshop will be in October, I guess. Okay, that will be last workshop. So my dear friends, if you're interested, okay, if you want to learn from me, then you are most welcome. After all, it's the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, but the best workshop. Thank you so much.